Hi. When you want your dinner fast and fabulous.
And in one sheet pan, this is our fast and fabulous sheet pan stir fry.
We gotcha.
We got you.
Stay tuned.
Welcome to our channel. We are the
Lazy Cook
and the Healthy Chef.
And we would love it if you would subscribe and follow along.
Yeah. So check us out. Subscribe on YouTube, Lazy Cook, Healthy Chef, or Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
All the places.
And everywhere.
All the places. Tracy, I'm so excited to do this amazing sheet pan dinner because we're always talking about how you're a lazy cook and I want healthy, you want healthy and lazy.
Healthy and fast. And
Yeah.
I really like this one sheet dinner idea.
Mm-hmm.
I just have a block about making dinners.
Yeah.
And it's really hard for me. I don't know why. It just is, always has been. So I cannot wait to make this with all of you.
Yeah. And you know what? I will tell you, I love to cook. I can be in the kitchen for hours, but when you're hungry, you're hungry. And
I'm
we know
always
that
hungry.
too well. I love making a stir fry and a wok. I mean, that's amazing. I've got a wok right here in this cabinet. But this, everything in 2 sheet pans and it's good to go. And the crispness of the vegetables, this is what I love about this. It comes out perfect. So the other thing is I bought all these vegetables pre-packaged. I did rinse them off, but they're already cut up and ready except for the onion and the bell pepper.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. So
Perfect.
it's no fuss.
It smells so good over here. I can't
doesn't
even.
it?
And we haven't done anything yet.
I haven't even done anything. It's my stir fry sauce. And by the way, my stir fry sauce is on my YouTube channel. You can find the recipe. We'll put it in the caption on this YouTube channel.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah. And I just
can't wait.
whip this together really quick.
Okay.
Here's the alternative, guys. If you're like, I don't have those ingredients. I don't want to make a stir fry sauce tonight. You can buy, what I bought was the gyoza dipping sauce from Trader Joe's. How do you say that?
That is, I'm not sure, but honestly,
If you know,
not
let us
sure,
know.
but close enough. It starts with a G.
Yeah.
And it's for their dumplings.
Yes.
It is so good. You could
It's
drink
better
it.
than
It's
a
so
stir
good.
fry sauce.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Yes,
Yeah.
and so I use that. I use the gyoza. I do like 1 cup, and I do 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce because I love hoisin sauce.
I do too. I love
in
the
a stir
flavor.
fry. So that's what I do if I don't have time or I don't have the ingredients to make my own stir fry sauce. But I will tell you, you guys, this stir fry sauce, I use it on all kinds of things throughout the week. So I usually make it on a Sunday and I kind of have it. And I make a few other dressings. We'll do a meal prep video at some point too.
That. Okay,
But this is great. I love it.
Great.
If not, gyoza dipping sauce and 2 tablespoons of hoisin. Mix it up and that will become a really delicious stir fry.
That's a great hack.
Yeah, it's a great hack. I love it. So the ingredients, super simple. So I got a package of
Cut up broccoli.
florets, right, organic.
That's
We've
what
got
we call
some
them. Okay.
snow peas.
I've been eating these, so there were more.
Yeah, there were more. It's okay though.
I tend to eat all the snacks.
I've got
and all
2
the
bell peppers.
Samples. Okay.
Yeah, and that's great. High in vitamin C. We like the bell peppers. I'm using half of an onion. And then I've got, and these were already toasted, but you can toast them. I think you should re-toast them. These are toasted sesame seeds.
Okay.
Toasting releases the flavor. We love
That's
that.
interesting.
And then the tofu at Trader Joe's, and we're not affiliated with Trader Joe's, although we'd love to be.
You could call us.
Call us Trader Joe's anytime. I'll answer. Our number 555. I'm kidding. This is the sriracha baked tofu, or they have a teriyaki baked tofu already set up. So that's what we're going to use for our protein.
So tofu and we have like a love-hate.
Oh,
I'm not a huge tofu fan.
okay.
So I cannot wait to try this.
I think it's delicious and it's super easy. So I've already cut it up and prepped it.
What we've talked about earlier is that whenever we're using tofu, you can substitute chicken or shrimp, your favorite protein. Yeah. Ours is tofu when I can actually get it down.
Yeah, Tracy and I, what's funny, we are both vegan-ish. We're mostly vegan with the exception.
I should be eating a lot more tofu. So this is going to be good for me.
Yeah, no, and I love it. I eat it a lot. And Luigi's excited about the tofu as well.
Okay.
And I've got 2 cups of rice that I just cooked earlier today. Okay, so Tracy, the only work you have to do is, besides rinsing the vegetables, is julienning these 2 bell peppers.
Okay, perfect.
So you want to do that?
Are there any tricks you'd like me to do?
Sure, I'll just show you what I do.
Okay.
Maybe you have a better trick. So I just cut off the top.
I bet you I don't.
I cut off you might. You're a lazy cook, I don't know. So I cut off the top and then I just pull this part out of the middle.
Okay.
I'll just show you mine first one time.
All right.
Then I'll cut down this way and I try to cut through the membrane.
Yeah.
in culinary school, they were always like, you've got to cut out the membrane. Don't keep it.
Okay.
And then I just julienne, probably break it down to make it a little flatter.
She actually asked me if I knew what julienne meant.
Yeah. And you
I
said
actually
yes.
do.
Yeah.
This I know.
Yeah.
It's a very thin cut
Yeah.
of whatever vegetable you want.
It's
There you go.
matchstick. It's like a matchstick.
Right. There
So there it is. There it is. Whoop. There it is.
Yeah, exactly.
That was a song
All right.
in the 80s. Anyway. I'm going to
pretty
go
sure
check
people
on the
watching
dog.
us will know.
Yeah, right.
So Christine's going to go check on Luigi. I'll be julienning.
Yes. And we'll be
If
right
that's
back.
even a word.
You've done a great job. We can put this in a bowl. Why don't you? And we'll
Okay.
just keep the hats. They're kind of cute.
Okay. What are you going to do with the hats?
I don't know. I'll find something.
Okay. You said you needed to show me how to do,
Yeah, the
flying
onion.
pepper. Here we go.
Well, I just wanted. You did this already. You did it. You did it. You're intuitive. You know what to do.
Well,
I just cut off the end, and
I
then
don't like to admit that I've done a lot of cooking, but I have.
You have. You have 2 children, grandchildren.
I raised
4.
four,
Sorry.
2 stepdaughters, 2 sons,
Yeah.
and 5 grandkids.
There you go. So you've got a lot of people to cook for. And if you have a lot of people to cook for, this is actually a really good recipe. And if you can do it for one person, we could just cut the recipe in half. This is going to feed about 6 people, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
That's great to know.
It's a lot. It's
okay.
a lot. It's good. I cook for big crowds. I'm Italian. I just can't cook for one. I got to, even if there is
Okay.
one, we're going to.
I like this because we're all going to be together over the holidays, and this is probably a great thing to throw together for lunch.
For
even.
sure. For
Yeah.
sure. So this one, I'm just
Now,
going to
you
go.
didn't cut the end on that one. Is that specific?
No, and I kind of, yeah, it's a habit I have. So I'm just going to go long.
But is
okay?
that a hack? Is that how we do it?
Well,
So it
I do
doesn't-
to keep it all together,
doesn't
so it's
fall
not
apart.
sliding
Okay, good.
around,
Okay,
slip
good.
sliding, right?
All right.
So I just go all the way across. And then for this, like if I was going to dice an onion, I'd go this way, but I'm
Yeah.
not dicing it. We're going to keep them long. I'll just cut that off.
Okay.
Then we know we have a bunch of little pieces, like
Oh,
little
I
strips.
see. Okay, perfect.
That's the goal. So,
Okay.
and really, this is the only work you're going to have to do for this fast and easy sheet pan stir fry is cutting up the bell pepper and cutting up your onion.
So you like the white onions for this?
I do. You could do yellow, but I wouldn't do red. I think red
Okay.
would be a little different of a flavor,
Okay.
but I mean, it's up to you. Listen, if you want to do other vegetables, you want to swap this out for zucchini or
carrots
mushrooms,
or-
or,
yeah.
you could totally do
Okay,
that.
perfect.
But I've done this several times, and what I like is I like a little bit of a snap in my broccoli when I bite in there, the snow pea. So we're just gonna.
I don't like soggy vegetables.
No. So
That's
when you
why-
roast, you want to
yeah.
be careful. And this only takes. I'm only throwing this in the oven for 10 minutes.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
And that's going to cook all this?
10 minutes at 400. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's all at once. And when I do the wok, I'm doing things in batches because I don't have a
Right,
huge
of
wok, right?
course.
So this is great. And then I'm just
All right. So we're going to put it on this
Nice.
pan or that pan? We're going to put
Well,
it on that?
so what we're gonna do is this is at the end. We won't use
Okay.
the rice until the end. I'll just set that here.
All right.
We'll shake up the stir fry. What I did is I actually bought these really big. It's a full size sheet pan. Can you please display that for us?
Wow. And
Here
they're
we
heavy.
go. Here we
Okay.
go. Full size sheet pan. Now you could do, this is a half sheet right here. You could do half sheets. I like the full size just because I can get everything on here and I'm done. I'm going to use 2 because when we're roasting vegetables, you want to be able to spread them out flat.
Okay.
And so they're not laying on top of
And
each other. They won't cook
Are you going to
evenly.
put parchment paper down or straight on
It's
the
going to go
sheet?
straight on, and I'm going to move
Now,
this.
do you put some olive oil on so it doesn't stick?
We're going to use avocado oil.
Avocado oil. All
Higher
right.
heat point. I'm gonna go onions on the top,
Uh-huh.
okay? Then we're gonna get the tofu on there, right underneath the onions.
Mm-hmm.
So just kind of right here in one little row. Yep, perfect.
Okay.
Tofu. I have a great question about the oil. We're gonna address that right now.
Okay.
You can get the bell peppers here.
Okay. Making
Yeah.
it pretty.
I'm gonna move, you're just gonna drizzle a little bit of the oil because we need to get this on the other sheet pan too. A
Oh.
little bit on the onion, a little bit on the,
Uh-oh.
that's kind of a lot, but okay.
It is.
That's okay.
I'm used to roasting. Okay.
You did good. All right, so
Do you want
there's
me
that.
to
You're gonna
zhuzh?
zhuzh it up. I'm gonna take away this cutting board.
In fact, I know what I'm buying you for Christmas. These with wood.
I just do it with my hands.
Okay. All right.
But that's
To
okay.
really coat them.
Yeah, like we just really want the oil.
Okay.
There's a big clump of oil over here. Let me.
Okay, guess that's my fault.
And I know this is already pre-baked tofu and it's already cooked, but I want to get it a little crispy, a little brown.
Right.
So, and there we go, right? And believe it or not, that was 2 bell peppers.
Tofu is a little bit of a texture thing for me.
Okay.
So if we can
get it
burden that up, that would be better.
Crispy and crunchy. Okay, so there's one sheet pan.
Okay.
We can just set that to the side and we'll get our other one over here.
Okay. I wonder if it's the same David Burke. David Burke Townhouse in New York used to be a great restaurant.
So we're just gonna flatten it out, get it all even. You don't want it piled up like this. It's not gonna roast evenly. So
separate your florets is what she's trying to say.
Yes, and all of your vegetables should be separated and have their own spot on the baking sheet. That's why I'm using the big baking sheet. You can also use 4 half sheets.
Okay.
And then the snow peas. There you go. Just get them nice and flat.
And then you want me to do the drizzle?
A little bit of a drizzle, and then I'll mix it up since I've got the oil all over my hands. I'm not afraid of a little bit of avocado oil. But we've preheated the oven to 400 degrees, so we're going to get it in here, but we still have one more step. First, I coat the oil everywhere, right?
And you don't put any salt or anything on that?
I'm going to do the stir fry sauce on it next, but first I wanted to make sure that the oil got on everything.
Okay. I can't wait to make this actually.
Yeah, I know, right? It's actually so easy. There's no making. It was, all you did was chop this, chop the onion, chop the bell pepper.
Everything else was pre-done.
This was yeah, you just want to rinse them. Even if you buy bagged veggies, you guys rinse them off, clean them off. I found a bug in the thing with the broccoli.
That's why I would, you can do something really easy, a little baking soda, little white vinegar.
I was just going to
say
vinegar.
And let them soak, and that really
cleans them off really well. So this is my stir fry sauce. Again, if you didn't make this, you could buy the gyoza dipping sauce.
We think that's the name, with some hoisin sauce. What's
mix it.
What's the measurement?
So I do 1 cup of the gyoza dipping sauce and 2 tablespoons of hoisin, and I just whisk it.
Oh, perfect.
And I find that comes close to the flavor of this.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I just shook this up. So this is mine. We've already, we'll put the recipe in the caption on how to make my stir fry sauce. It's lower in sodium. Good, it's homemade. So I'm just gonna do a little drizzle.
I actually have a rice cooker.
Oh, there you go.
In Nashville. I think I need to send it back here.
We're gonna make sure that the vegetables get coated with the stir fry sauce.
Okay. This smells so
It's so
good.
fresh. It's
and
so
this
fresh.
is so easy.
You can smell the fresh ginger and garlic in this. That's why I like the fresh. Okay, I'll mix this one. You mix that one. How's that?
All right,
And you just want to try to get the stir fry sauce on the veggies, but keep them in their own category. We're going to mix them all together at the end. We're going to add a little bit of toasted sesame seed. It's going to be awesome.
Love it.
Oh, it smells so, gosh.
So good. Okay.
Maybe it's that rice vinegar and the hoisin.
I think so.
Oh my goodness.
So good.
So now, look at this. Right. And then we have clean hands.
Yep.
Voila.
Professionals.
Aren't we fancy? We're fancy, fabulous, and fast cooks.
Okay, I'm opening up the oven.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to video you going to the oven. I'm going to video her going to the oven. She's going in.
I'm going in.
There we go.
All right, putting them in.
Don't burn yourself.
Let's not do that. Okay, so 10 minutes.
10 minutes at 400 degrees. Oh, listen to that. Sizzle, sizzle. Oh, wow. So this needs, I think, a few more minutes. So I'm going to leave that in. I'm going to take these out. They've got a nice little brown.
Oh, the smell is amazing.
Yeah, these are cooked to perfection.
Can I try?
You're so good at that.
I am so good at tasting, aren't I?
Yeah. Isn't that great? Yum.
Honestly, you would not want it cooked any more than this.
No.
It's perfection. It's still crunchy.
Yeah. Sizzling, it's ready, it's good. This is what you want.
It's beautiful.
I would just move it over to this sheet. Here, use your wooden tongs and you can start moving.
Don't mind if I do.
I really know that you would love to use those.
I would love to use these.
Yeah. I'm going to put some rice. Put in some rice down the middle here. And then you can, so this is how you want to assemble your quick stir fry.
Yeah, we forgot to
stir
talk. We forgot to talk.
We're just
tell people
cooking.
what we were doing.
She's so hungry.
I got so
we're just
into
focused
it.
on
And
this.
I'm so hungry is right. And I can't wait to try this tofu.
I love this.
This is awesome.
It's basically done. You rinse it, drizzle it, roast it. you're done.
I love it.
We're gonna do a little bit of scallions. If you like cilantro, yes or no?
I love cilantro.
Love cilantro. Some people don't, but
I know. It tastes so good to
love
me,
it.
and other people say it tastes like
it's
soap.
great to help detox. It's amazing.
It's good for our dogs too. Parsley, or is that parsley? Never mind.
We'll get back with you on that.
We'll get back to you.
A little squeeze of lime.
It's me who likes cilantro, the dog for parsley and her breath. Okay.
And then I'm gonna do some of the toasted sesame seeds.
That smells good.
There is dinner in under 25 minutes.
I love it. I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna call this our fast and fabulous sheet pan stir fry because it was fast and so fabulous.
It's so fabulous.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this for the family on the weekends.
Telling you.
I love it.
It's picture perfect too, if I don't.
I will
say
take
so
a picture.
myself. Yeah.
It's picture perfect, but I'll be taking a picture.
Look at that. We did it.
We did it!
Yes!
Yay!
Okay.
Here it is. Our fast, our fabulous
sheet pan stir fry. Great for lazy cooks and
healthy chefs.
You guys are going to love this. Really, it came together so fast. Under 25 minutes, you can have dinner served. Healthy, delicious, and so easy.
I know. And I'm going to do it. Let us know what you think.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
For more fun times in the kitchen with Lazy Cook and Healthy Chef recipes, check out our YouTube channel, The Lazy Cook and the Healthy Chef. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.